you start any core exercise, it is important to know whether or not you have a diastasis recti. A diastasis recti is a separation of the fascia between the rectus abdominis muscles. To check for a diastasis recti, place your fingertips in the center of your abdomen. Slowly lift your head until your shoulder blades start coming off the floor. If you have a diastasis recti, your abdomen will sink in and you will feel ridges on either side of the depressed area. The separation is measured in finger width from ridge to ridge. Assess the width of the separation all along the rectus fascia above and below your belly button. If you have a diastasis recti, you should follow some precautions so you do not make it worse and are able to heal the separation, such as any exercise overusing the rectus abdominis like curls or stretching the rectus abdominis.